Today we're going to talk about streamlining your production process. Now obviously there's literally hundreds of pieces of software and there's hundreds of ways that you can handle the production process. But one of the things that I want to share with you that I work through is that we actually talk during strategic planning with our publishers about the production process. Now, streamlining production doesn't necessarily mean staff reduction. Streamlining production doesn't necessarily mean a lower paper quality. A lot of times what it is not understanding and utilizing the technology that's right before your eyes. What's interesting to me is the number of my customers that actually don't reach out to the experts in the industry to help them. One of the experts that you should know would be your representative at your printer. See, it's very important for you to understand that they spend countless hours understanding, exploring, and spending a lot of time with technology. Now, interesting point number 2 is that many publishers just don't understand how technology can help them in the production process. Just let me give you an example. So you as a Sheridan customer can actually receive discounts for products like Virtual Publisher, the Magazine Manager, Send My Ad, and Ad Creator. What's interesting is the number of publishers that don't actually take advantages of those discounts. For example, the Magazine Manager can not only help your sales process by help your salespeople with prospecting, but it can also track insertion orders, contracts, flow all the way through the digital edition process. All the way through all of those processes is a piece of technology that's available, and all you had to do was ask about it. You know, technology is going to be one of the fastest ways that you're going to be able to streamline your process. One other thing that I've seen to be very helpful is establishing a growth plan within your organization. What does that mean? It means that you actually establish a pattern of progression for your staff. So when you bring in somebody as an intern, then there's a growth path for them, whether they're going to take the sales growth path or the production growth path. One of the ways that you can streamline your production process is understanding the people that are in the process and growing those people to be a lot more technology-centric, to be a lot more management-centric, to be a lot more accountable for actions and activities. So a part of the process is technology, a part of the process is people, and a part of the process is the process itself. It's very interesting for me to note to you the number of publishers that I work with that don't really have a process for anything. When I ask them to email me their production process or email me their sales process, they actually don't have it written down. One of the things you might consider if you're looking to streamline the production process is to sit down with a whiteboard or with a strategic planner and map out that process and have someone that doesn't work within your bubble look at that process. Maybe it's a fellow publisher that's within your local market or your community, or maybe it's a publisher within your industry, or maybe it's a professional consultant, or maybe it's also your representative at your printer. You can sit down and actually look at your process and help you find inefficiencies or help you find best practices that you could put in place. See, a lot of times the answers to the most obvious questions are right in front of your eyes. I'm Ryan Dorn from 360 Ad Sales Training and Strategy, and on behalf of the fine folks at Sheridan, thank you so much for watching this video. More helpful videos straight ahead.